こんにちは、ゆうこです。和菓子ックという外国人が日本に、旅行に来た時に和菓子作りを体験するスクールを開催しています。文京区なので、東京の中心になります。とてもいい景色のところでレッスンができますので、皆さんどうぞ来てください。そして楽しい和菓子作りを一緒にしましょう。
So today we are in the north of Tokyo and we're doing a mochi workshop. This workshop is located at Yuko's place. She's a mochi teacher, and here's like a very nice river and park where you can then also relax a bit. And what's so great about this workshop is that she does it in person. There's just a small table and you're at maximum 4 to 5 people, not more. So it's a really nice experience that you can do then with your friends or your family and enjoy Japanese culture and learn then how to do mochi. And the great thing is, once you know how to do it, you can buy then some ingredients and take them home and do mochi for yourself, for example.
After Sakura, so this is Daifuku. Do you know? Yeah. Two. Okay.
Should I do it?
Okay. The color is up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, first is green. And the second is
Slippery.
white. So green grass and white is snow, still snow, and pink is flower, blooming flower, so spring has come. This is look like hanami dango. Hana is flower, so middle is looking. You want?
Oh, sorry.
Middle is gazing, looking, and looking the sakura. So gazing, gazing sakura. Look, eating dango. Hanami dango. Daifuku. This is a white bean paste. White bean paste. And this is anko. Red bean paste.
I love anko.
Press. Look like this.
It's not
Sticky.
sticking. Okay.
And inside strawberry. Next. Maybe your country, if you want to make, so tapioca starch. Same texture, same change it color.
Yeah, we also have something like that in Thai. Tapioca scotch, kinako, brown sugar. So not many ingredients.
Please eat. And
So like squish and then fold.
need and ball shape.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
About is okay. And the bean paste, center, and wrap. Make ear. So this one, little bit, okay, and a bit, yeah. And not down, so smooth.
I know I did the wrong way.
Eye is important also. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Good.
That we can buy also.
And closed side is under.
Yeah.
And make this line and and twist. Huh?
Ah,
Roll and you can use this one.
Ah, yes.
The small one.
That's the big one. And this inside.
side is and use this 三角棒。三角棒 is triangle でできるかな。
So these are yours?
Yes.
Hey, good job. That's it. There we
And
go.
then here.
This one's coming up all right. The taste is what these are about. Taste.
But small is
Oh no.
on the orange. And together press 6 centimeters. If we and close it, wrap.
Ah.
Like this one. So
Oh no. There's no white.
no white.
Oh.
So double is okay. So
Ah, okay.
very good. Cover. And tongue. And the chestnut cup. And make twist and little
Mountain shape, like a triangle.
mountain shape.
Unfortunately.
2 spoon.
You have to do it faster.
Jesus.
Short and fast.
Like that?
Please take
Ah, okay. Like this.
and cut.
Ah.
So, ja-ja-ja.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Can I do this?
Yes. Cut. Nice.
Oh.
And open. So cute. Photo or video?
Video.
So good.
So good.
Oh. So all sweets. But red bean paste. Which is better, the red bean paste with
I like
strawberry?
those. But
And white bean paste with strawberry. Red bean paste is more strong taste.
stronger, yeah.